It's
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness.
oh, there goes the off stump. So the second one goes down. Lasith Malinga with those serious Yorkers gets through Marcus North.
Oh, full, and that's going to be out. A brilliant slow ball Yorker from Malinga. Coulton Nile goes second ball.
Would have cannoned into Midland left.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when we should be getting exited. I got facts over tracks. Isn't that spitting slow, spitting fast? Got the roast, got the gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth the time. You're delirious, mysterious because oh, what a delivery from Malinga. In swinging Yorker. Get off of me. This ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear.
It's coming that way.
Sphere today. Oh yes, what a delivery that is! A beauty.
That's real tough to play. That's fast, in swinging, and from a man who's, well, his best part of 6.
And bowling straight through him. So Mitchell Stark's on a hat-trick.
Bowling, a beauty. 6 for Johnson. Well done, Mitchell Stark it is. Brilliant.
Bowling. So Mitchell Stark in.
That's his 8th. Ah, and he finishes it. Oh, he got it. He bowled it.
Oh, clean rip, full stump.
It's another hot one out there. He's in the zone. He's got the rhythm up. Beautiful.
Short cover comes in for the last ball.
Oh, like it, falling given. What a breakthrough.
The short cover came in. Terrific tactics and the execution from Bumrah to be able to deliver that slow ball. Bumrah didn't take any time whatsoever to adjust. The first ball from changing the left and right hander, he brought that one back into Travis Head at serious pace.
Oh no, not today.
Oh, bowling. He's got 6.
Quota out he comes, and Bradley have a do. Oh, that's why. That's exactly why. Brilliant full swing.
Matt Fryer, 29 from 45 has been undone. It's a beauty, isn't it? Yorker.
Oh, it's got him. Oh, he's knocked him over. What a ripper, what a good... That's well bowled, that's very, very close. He's got him.
Oh, and he's bowled him. Leg stump.
Oh, that's beautifully bowled. Oh, yes, he's got him. 5 for Shoaib, right up there in the